like I need to breathe. Yeah, make it clear like I need to see. As a kid, mama told me.
What's up, guys? It's Matt
and Joe.
And
right now, so we just picked up some chicken.
Yes, chicken.
So
from
one of our friends.
Store.
Yeah, so our friend Sam. Shout out to Sam Wilson.
Go follow him on Insta. We'll post
right there.
Link. Yep.
So he's been working like 12 hours, 10 to 10 restaurant job.
Yeah.
And
he forgot his wallet.
So we can't get any food.
Yes.
So we went to Tom's grocery store and we got
a pound of chicken tenders.
and some chips, and we're on our way to drop it off to him.
Yes.
And then, knowing us, we never know what to do, so who knows what we're gonna do. But yeah, just checking in, giving you a little update. We'll keep you updated on what we end up doing.
See ya.
What's up, guys? We're just out here at a restaurant.
We're out here eating.
We're at North Peak. North Peak? I don't know.
Brewery, maybe?
Yeah,
I think.
Sure.
Yeah.
Downtown Traverse City. First, we were just so hungry we forgot to tell you. But we got mozzarella sticks as an appetizer. And then we just got a chicken pesto pizza. Without tomatoes, so it's literally just chicken and pesto. But it's good.
Cheers.
Thank you. Matt, how was the food? Now we're gonna go find something to do.
Yay!
But when they pay me and I can buy the sunshine, take you away, we'll drink champagne, we'll hold up in a room. Darling, I've been working all week. I got so much on my plate, always saying for me.
We're back.
What's up?
So we got to the restaurant where Sam works, blah blah, talking to him, gave him his pound of fried chicken. And then he was like, we were like, we're hungry. He was like, you should eat here. We were like, okay.
Yes.
So we sat down. And yeah. So we ended up eating there. We showed you what we got.
Good.
Stuff,
Pesto chicken pizza.
Yes. Our waiter, like, oh, that sun.
Flare.
Our glare.
Sun flare. I call it a flare. The photographer calls it a sun flare, I think.
Okay. All technical up in here.
Yeah.
But anyways, our waiter, like, after he like gave us our pizza, you know, we started eating. He like came back and he was like, "Ladies, how's the za?" We were like, "It's good,
Thanks for checking."
It was.
But then also as we were sitting down, Sam comes over to our table and he's like, "Guys, there's a lady in a wheelchair stuck in the elevator."
An old lady.
An old lady. Like, she couldn't.
Apparently, like, on her way down, because you have to like walk upstairs to get to the restaurant. On her way,
an elevator.
Yeah, so on the way down, she like stopped it.
Like, there was a sensor, I guess, on all four sides, she said.
Yeah.
And, like, her wheelchair was covering one of them. And so, like, she couldn't move.
Because she's by there, in there by herself. She didn't know. I don't know.
Poor girl.
Sam was like freaking out.
Yeah. Because he's a host or whatever, so.
Anyways, yeah, so also, we were like, dude, what should we do tonight? And he gave us this place. He didn't give us like a name. He kind of just explained how to get there, so we're hoping we can find it. But so that's where we're going right now.
Yeah. We'll see.
But yeah, we're just bringing you guys along because
why not, right?
Why not? And I leave in like a week and 3 days, so we're trying to get some content for you guys before we leave. Is this like a every time thing now? Wasn't this in our other guy with us?
So wrong, so long, only trying to please
Excellent.
You spin my head right round when you go down, when you go down, down.
You spin my head right around when you go down, when you go down.
I got the house with my swagger, hopping there with Joe. I got places to go. People to see time and sessions. I look at my Cartier out of control.
When you go down, when you go down.
From the top of the pole, I watch her go down. She got me throwing my money up. Ain't nothing more beautiful to be. It's going down. From the top of the pole, I watch her go down.
Like a little strap, like strap it in.
Buckle you in.
Yeah.
To my pants, my
Break the lid.
I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula. I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving wrong. I do what they say I can. They call me Cardi, banging body, spicy mommy, hot tamale, bags. I'm just district in the chain. Certified, you know I'm
Another one.
Guys, I don't know if I'm going the right way. Should we just go back to that lake?
Yeah, let's try that.
Whoa! Guys! I'm pulling over! Oh my gosh!
You ducked like it was gonna.
Oh, guys! Okay, first of all, we're in somebody's driveway.
Yeah.
Guys, you explain. I don't even know what happened. I just saw a bird coming at us. Oh, there's somebody there. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to turn around. Sorry. Guys, we had to turn around because we missed the drive. But, so we like went in somebody's driveway and there's this guy
Standing there, looking at us.
looking at us like, what are you?
Okay,
this is
about
such a
this
good song.
bird.
Wait, can you pause this song? I want to jam out.
Maybe. Okay.
Or I should keep going.
Yeah. Don't want them coming.
Don't want them coming for us. I can't see. Okay, so
Bird story.
Yeah, tell the bird
Okay.
story.
So we're just going down this highway thing, right? And so we're going this way, and like another car's coming towards us on their side of the road, obviously.
Take a minute and look at her hands when she is.
And this big, I don't even know.
Oh, maybe
what-
it's that.
You can't even get in there.
I know, but maybe you're supposed to park and walk. He said it was some kind of hike.
Okay,
Whatever,
try
keep
what this
going.
is. But this bird came and got something out of the ditch on our left side.
Like on the other side
Yep.
of the road.
And so he got it, but then
Should I go
he
down one of
like
those roads?
went, tried to fly up, but above a car that was coming, and he didn't get up fast enough. So
Just finish the story.
it almost hit their car. It didn't. So it got above the car and then like came down almost on our car and then flew up. And Joe's like, "Oh my gosh, it's gonna hit my
You
head."
would have seen it. I don't know why I ducked. It was just instinct.
Yeah,
I thought
right.
the thing was gonna hit our
Our
car,
car.
so I was
She's
like,
like,
ah! It was so close to our car.
Yeah, it was
I
a
wish
big
you could
bird
see
too,
it.
like huge.
It's not like it was this little bird.
No,
it was a big bird
with the giant
big
claws
wings
that
and-
was like coming down for Joe's head.
Oh my gosh. Anyway, okay. Should I go down one of these roads or should I?
Probably shouldn't stay in the middle of the road.
Okay, there's nobody here. We could always just ask someone here, like the guy working.
Are you coming in? There's no legs here. Oh, no lake. And we're here. There's no lake. That's for sure. Oh, that lake?
Oh, baby.
South? Here, you can look.
Are you gonna pee?
Yeah. I'd be okay by myself without my phone.
We couldn't find. These guys are looking at me and I feel so uncomfortable. Anyway. Oh, this is a good song. We couldn't find the lake that Sam was talking about, so we're Googling it right now. Trying to find it and figure out how to get there. Guys, this is one of my favorite songs right now. Also, I'm going to see him in concert in less than a week, so.
My best friend never had a lot of money, just couldn't tame it. And he called last night.
Guys, I locked it. And she can't get in. Those guys that truck next to us, they were like looking at me, and I don't know if it's because I was like filming or something, so I was like, I'm gonna lock the door.
Good idea.
Used to be kids
go get
in the
tattoos.
back seat, wasting time.
My parents would hate
Talking about
me.
high hopes
I
and
want
daydreams.
I mean,
Never
make an
thought
appointment anyway.
never thought life could take us.
Probably a good thing that I take an appointment, or else I would have another one.
As long as I got your love next to me, better than I used to be. On what we believe,
I know where we should go.
Okay. Don't tell me. Let's go.
Okay.
next to me, better than I used to be.
Guys, we made it. We're at a lighthouse on the beach. The sun like just set. What's up, guys?
What is good?
We made it to the lighthouse. You can see in the background. We're just doing a little photo shoot, which you can check out our Instagrams to see the pictures. But it's literally
Picture perfect right now.
so pretty out.
Sun just went down. It's like the perfect temperature.
It's like, yeah, it's super warm out. Ah, so cute. But yeah, we're just hanging out.
It's beautiful.
It's so pretty. We're gonna get some pictures on the stairs back there once those people leave. But
Oh, the swings. Let's go.
okay. Guys, there's some swings over there. You can kind of see. We're gonna go get some pics.